Hello, this is Bella, the butterfly. Bella lives in the jungle. She is small. She is beautiful. Bella was a tiny egg. The egg is small. It is round. It is on a leaf. Pop! The egg breaks. A caterpillar comes out. The caterpillar is hungry. It eats and eats. The caterpillar is now big. It stops eating. It makes a chrysalis. Inside, it changes. Look, the chrysalis opens. Bella is now a butterfly. She has wings. She can fly. Let's remember: egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Bella is happy. She flies in the jungle.